Hey, I'm Dr. Paul, and we just wrapped up our chiropractic personal injury attorney educational marketing workshop. We're here with Dr. Ken. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how was it?
It was definitely a 10.
10. Then why would you say it's a 10? What's the big takeaway?
The big thing for me was role playing, carefully laying out the presentation, going through all the details, and then, today doing the role playing, we're actually
You have to do it.
Yeah,
You have to
actually
do
try
it.
to get that skill
Yeah.
of speaking it and doing it.
Yeah. Now, we cover everything. So we covered the target market, what attorneys are better and worse, right?
Yeah,
We covered how to establish need, right?
correct. Yeah,
And we also covered that if you don't know how to establish need, you won't be able to get the business, will you?
right.
How important was that?
That's extremely important.
But we covered it in great detail, step by step, didn't we?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you now know how to do that, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And then the other part of the formula is to help minimize their obstacles. We covered what the obstacles were and how to handle them, right?
Right.
And then the third part of the equation is how to handle the service factors. We told you what those common ones are and how to handle it, right?
Right. Right.
So we put it together and said, hey, if you target this group of attorneys, you establish need with this content, just follow this checklist for the obstacles, and follow this checklist for the service factors. That's what creates the business, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And you saw that, didn't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And that's what happens when you do that. The very next question the attorneys have is two. Number one, where's your office? Because they want to start referring to you. Number two is, oh my God, what can I do? What can you help me with right now with this case that I now see that the doctor I'm dealing with didn't document nowhere near everything you just taught, and I'm in trouble. What can you do to help me with that? Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's exactly what happens.
Mhm.
And of
Yes.
course, once you come in and help them, that's the start of the referrals right there.
Yeah.
That's how it all works. Does it make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah, it sure does.
All right, thanks.